here.
Dad and I are both working, and we're getting along great. Happy 4th of July.
This is eating.
What are you?
Fire in 10 months.
No, I want to show what you're eating. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Eat
We
the
gotta go
cereal?
soon.
I know. I want to do it quick.
Dad make us all go. Because I've been avoiding Roderick's built-in lie detector.
You know having a job doesn't pass the smell test.
He totally does.
Okay. Say hi to everybody. There's 2 people watching. 3, actually.
They're there to watch you, so put it on you.
No, they're watching you too.
Yeah, but they're watching because they want to see you.
Hello. Oh, no, only one.
Yeah, because they want to see you and you got the camera on me.
No. Hello, everybody. How are you? Oh, the camera is right here. So let's say hi.
Hey, you know what?
Say hi.
Why?
Say hi.
Exactly.
So what are you eating? Cereal too?
Mile long, Frank. Everybody wants to join the best of the best. Hey, is that your dog? We grew up with a dog.
We gotta get ready. Joe. Joe. Get up, Joe. You jumped. We go to church, Joe. Get up, honey. Mwah. Get up, baby. What time did you go to bed last night, huh? Say hi. Get up. Get up. Get up, baby.
At least something good came out of the barbecue.
So messy right here. Back to you.
I really wish you had checked with me first.
We're watching some movie right here. What is the name of the movie?
The Diary of the Wimpy Kid.
The Whippy Kid.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Dad was willing to go with anything on her.
Is that an old movie?
Mm-hmm.
Sweetie. Sweetie.
Huh. Oh, just is done eating now. He's finished up his milk. Good? Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my chin.
Can you show them your clams here you made?
Hmm?
You show them your clammies?
My clam?
Your clams?
No. What do you do, guys? Say hi.
I already did.
Say hi, Chilla. Alright, we gotta get ready for church now. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye.